Time to get busy living, Orlando. Get out there and live in your city. Eat, drink, and have a great time. Let's do it. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians. We are here to start living our life this weekend and get out there and enjoy this beautiful city for what it is. This is your August 12th, 13th, and 14th local love report, and we are here to share all the great events coming up in this city. If you want more, of course, we've always got more on our Facebook page, but let's get into it and start off with Friday. Sip and Savor weeks at various locations like the Guesthouse, Infusion Tea, Aardvark Beverages, Maxine's on Shine, Gou-oui, Cookiez, Nora's Sugar Shack, and the Swirlery, as well as many, many more. You can go to sipandsavorotown.com for all locations, and this is going to be going on until August 21st. So we're going to put that link in the description in case you want to get out there and savor your week. 8:30 a.m. Headshot mini sessions, fun and easy, by appointment only at Tamara Night Photography. So if you need to get that perfect headshot look, get into Tamara Night Photography and get that headshot. 10 a.m. Painting with watercolor at A&H at Studios at Lake Lily. They are waiting to show you the ropes on how to start learning to paint with watercolors. 11 a.m. Now hiring Hire Palooza at Amway Center. This is Central Florida's premier job fair and career resource. So connecting all the local candidates with Central Florida's top employers is what they do. Make sure you dress to impress. This free event will be going on all day, so make sure you check it out for yourself and either get the job of your dreams or maybe update your current job. 12 p.m. Craft Beer Festival at SeaWorld. $55 and up, and it's going to be going on until September 5th. 5:30 p.m. on Friday, Pine Grove, Sinai Vessel, Poise at the Beachum. $28 to get in and enjoy some live music fun. 8 p.m. Michael Andrews 20th Century Swing and Soul Review at Margison Theater, Lowndes Shakespeare Center, and that's $36.75 to come in and get your swing on. 8 p.m. on Friday, Acid Dad, Timothy Erie, Way Out at Will's Pub. $13 will get you into this amazing event with all these awesome locals. Make sure you enjoy some great beer and different things on tap as well as your favorite craft cocktails. Come on out and support local music today. 9 p.m. on Friday, Flux Pavilion, Avelo, Sauce Mauve, Kovaya at the Vanguard. $9.99, and you can come and get your groove on for the night. All right, guys, it's heating up. Let's get into Saturday. 8 a.m. Pedaling Infidels ride. Little Econ area, Greenway at J. Blanchard Park. So come on out and get to pedaling. 9 a.m. on Saturday, electronic waste and textile recycling at Festival Park. Safely and properly recycle through us, and we will unload your electronics and textiles. This is a free event, so come on out and support this great community effort. 9:30 a.m., using essential oils and botanicals for holistic skincare at Harry P. Lou Gardens. Come on out and learn how to do things the natural way. 10 a.m. Makers Market at Lineage Coffee. This is the East Colonial location. It is a free event. Come on out and see what everybody's making out there. We've got lots of amazing makers in this city, and you could be one of them. So check it out and see what's going on. 10 a.m. Drum Discovery Workshop. How to find your feed at El Camino School. All right, guys, get out there and enjoy learning how to beat your own drum, so to speak. 11:30 a.m. on Saturday, Sourfest, 450 North Tap Takeover at A La Carte Orlando. Guys, A La Carte's amazing. Not only do they have such great beer opportunities out there for you to discover, but there's new food trucks pulling in all the time. So get out there and find your favorite today. 1 p.m. Red Bull BC1 Cypher Southeast at Celine Orlando. $10 will get you in, and you could be spitting with the best. 5 p.m. on Saturday, Sipping and Shopping in the Eve Pop-Up Market at Nora's Sugar Shack. Nora's has some amazing opportunities to find your favorite beverage, maybe a nice cigar, just some great people. So come on out and enjoy an amazing night shopping around at Nora's. And 8 p.m., nothing but Rock Fest at Will's Pub. $15 to $20. You can get in here and rock your butt off. So come on out and enjoy some well-spent time with local music. All right, guys, as mentioned before, if you are looking to get even more great events, don't you worry. This is not all of them. We have more on our Local Love Orlando Facebook page, pinned to the top of the page every single day. So check it out. All right, guys, and here we go, Sunday. All right, guys, Land of Luck at Main Event Entertainment. Main Event will be giving out at random $1 to $1,000 in free gameplay with every purchase of a fun card package of $25 or more. So come on out between now and October 4th, and let's see if you're feeling lucky. 10 a.m. on Sunday, Jewelry Workshop Bangle Bracelet Set at Maitland Arts Center. Come on out and learn how to make these amazingly beautiful bracelets for yourself. You can make them as a gift. You can enjoy making your own set, but you will be learning something new and having a good time too. 11:15, Goat Yoga at Alaska Farms. $30 will get you in to this bad experience. 12 p.m. Special program, Central Florida Film Slam at Enzian Theater. This monthly event is a great way for you to see independent filmmakers right here in our own area. And check it out and see if you like what they have. You can give them a rating and let them know what you thought. 1 p.m. Caribbean American Heritage Festival and Expo at Senate Arts Plaza. This free event is going to be an amazing experience, fully cultural Caribbean and American food and amazing vendors. So check it out and enjoy. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Murder for Two at Winter Park Playhouse. $20 to $46 will get you in until August 28th to this amazing show. 4 p.m. A&H Book Club at Studios at Lake Lily. Join A&H Director of Advancement Jesse Van Pelt every other month in our scenic cottage at Lake Lily to share your opinions on fascinating topics in the realms of art and history. And it is only $5 to join in the fun. 6 p.m. Cabaret Studio, a showcase performance at Renaissance Theater. All right, guys, we love a little cabaret. 8 p.m. on Sundays, CRT, Mother Juno, Leatherette, KT Kink, and Bacon Grease at Stardust Video and Coffee. $10 and you too can come out and rock with the locals and enjoy some amazing food and drinks. And last but not least, for your weekend and your Sunday night, 8:30 p.m. Freaky Fridays, Miami Connection at NZN Theater. Once a month, they're going to be offering you a Freaky Friday opportunity to experience something that's a little bit out there. So come on out and check out Miami Connection and enjoy a fun time out at the movies. All right, guys, as always, make sure you don't forget to stop in on some of our favorite places around town. We've got amazing vendors and different places to eat, sleep, drink, whatever. Enjoy Orlando for what it is, guys. Get busy living, and don't forget to drop us a comment. And here's how you can reach us. Also, make sure you stop off over at TikTok and say hi as well. And peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.